Aprilia RS250 Best Motorcycle Review 2-stroke V-twin, 6 gears. The Aprilia RS250 is the last of a dead breed. It's ring-a-ding-ding the requiem for meaningful two-strokes and their sweet perfume. Built to ape the Italian factory's 1993 250 GP winner, the motorcycle perched a reed valve motor in a near-perfect chassis to produce one of the finest handling machines of all time. Bella. In 2000 the bike went off general sale due to emissions regulations, but will still available as a track-only bike to reflect its incredible handling talents. Once you've read this review and our owners' reviews, you may want to join a forum or other online community to ask owners some questions. We'd recommend Aprilia Forum as a great starting point. Ride quality and brakes. The Aprilia RS250 is the enemy of knee sliders everywhere. The chassis is blessed with a supernatural composure that remains unfazed regardless of lean angle. The upside-down forks, banana swing arm and Brembo 4-piston brakes aren't just for show, they're the best combination of talent since George, Ringo, Paul and John. Engine. Ripped from Suzuki's RGV 250, the Aprilia RS250's single-crank V-twin-stroker makes you work for your reward. It hits perfect pitch at 10,500 RPM, delivering 55 brake horsepower with a sweet punch. For anyone raised on multi-cylinder motorcycles, it's initially frustrating, but persevere, nothing worth striving for comes easily. So hone your gear selection, hang on to every RPM and ride it like you stole it. Reliability and build quality. Skimping on pricey fully synthetic two-stroke oil is asking for trouble. Without it, engine life is very much compromised. You're looking at a new piston kit, from 65 pounds or so, every 6,000 miles, too. Aprilia RS250s are as likely to be owned by youngsters who ignore service intervals and poorly maintain their bikes as enthusiasts. By one with service history from a bloke with share in Putoline. We've got 3 Aprilia RS250 owners' reviews on the site, and the bike scores 4.7 stars out of 5. However, it's only marked down for the fact that it lacks kit, and considering it's basically a race-ready bike, that's no surprise. Just ensure you find one with decent history. Value versus rivals. The Aprilia RS250 is simply one of the very best, least compromised sports motorcycles money can buy. Nowadays the RS250 is an appreciating modern classic. Its competition in period came from the likes of the Yamaha TZR250, Kawasaki KR1S and even the Honda VFR 400. Equipment. Race replica minimalism rules. The Aprilia RS250's seat pad's thin, there's no electric start and the pillion provision is a joke. You do get a handy gear shift light, though, and the aftermarket is still buoyant.